Hello. I'm back with another video. The Forest of Drizzling Rain. Okay, so last episode, we found out that our parents died in a car crash. I'm very bad with introductions, I'm sorry. Very bad. Anyways, last time, well, you know, I don't really have to explain. I have the video on the channel, so. Anyway, let's start playing. Okay, so we just received keys from Suga. Suga to help find that girl with the purple hair. I don't really remember why we have to. Never mind. Okay, so there's kind of a few scenes right here. I assume it's from the Kotorio Bake, but I don't know. So then we have to go to another 2 rooms to actually be able to go into the forest. So this room. No escape. Nope. I ain't having any of that shit. Remember the promise. What? Power outage? Yup. Oh no, blood. Oh no. Several old photographs of Ogami-sama. Come fulfill your promise. I am waiting with that child. Good for you. Gonna go to the bathroom. Just where the kitchen is. No. Where was the sound? Oh, no, really? I didn't know that. Look. Won't open. The inside. It's because of the inside. Hey, it's Ellen. Sakuma-chan. Sorry about that. Everyone is looking for you, so let's go back. Okay. Wait! No, the Kotorio Bake waits for no one! Oh shit. Yeah. The girl was possessed by the Kotorio Bake. I'm sorry, I think. Spoilers are everywhere. Just imagine that meme of Buzz and, oh shit. No, I don't have time to talk! Run! Run! He will catch your ass! Run, child! Buzz Lightyear and Woody. Sins everywhere. That one. Just think of that. Also, what the heck was that back there? I would have shit my pants if that was actually happening. Come, come. For now, I'll need to get moving. It's a nice little shrine. Except it's covered in blood. Oh. But at least we were able to find that. A humanoid doll has been left here. It is missing the eye, nose, and mouth parts. On the doll's clothing is written, "Various Sacrifice Doll." Somehow this doll feels so realistic that it gives me the creeps. Ugh. I don't like dolls. Porcelain dolls. They're fucking terrifying. Ugh. There's a key with prison key on one. Yeah, written on it. Ah, shit. I hate this place. Yeah, well, fuck you! Be gone, die! Go die. Go, well, fuck you too. Jeez. Can't open that box. So this is like the only thing that we can do to trigger that thing. It hurts, it hurts. Oh, everything hurts, it's life. Sorry, kitty, but I just don't know what to tell you. It's a prison. There's someone's bones here. Just walk on them? A hole has opened here. Something has fallen in the hole. Obtained wooden key. Well, we can't really get that other thing yet. We have to go back into this room. Okay! Obtained filer. Okay, I'm glad he didn't get me that time. Oh yeah. Okay. 6, 5, 9. The prison door is unlocked. Wait. A piece of paper with something written on it. The men of the village have gone mad. Every night, to enjoy a deed most foul. The pitiful ones are not the women. The babies killed are the pitiful ones. If I escape, this hell will end. But then I will die. Oh! Nice to know. Okay, then with that branch, we can get the thing that's in here. A small iron shovel comes out. Okay, then we need to go over here. Why? Why is it black? Oh. Okay. That's why. Okay. That was... okay. Hey, friends! I don't like this room. Fuck. No, go away! I'm not gonna say it, but they sound like something. Old stained papers with CCC written on them. Written with 5 strokes is a character is used as Japanese tally marks. Okay, I didn't like that music at all. It was very disturbing. Why would you try to use a fucking necklace? That's just weird. Lying down. It's the same as the stone on the necklace. There's also a hole to put the string through. Picked up blue stone. Yes, it seems to be able to go on the necklace string perfectly. Now that I finally found one, let's put it on. You mustn't escape. I must escape! Run, child! Run for your life! No, fuck that. No! Go up, go up, go up! Fucking shit, there's no escape. Quick, let's become together! It's chasing me? I need to flee. Oh, shitty. Shit, fuck! No! Use it! Use the fucking doll! No escape, no escape. Shit! Yes, fucking use the doll! Oh my god! Fucking use it! Oh fucking shit! Oh, wait, I think I'm missing something. No, I'm not. Oh my god, what am I missing? Fuck! Okay. Crafted nose, crafted mouth. Still don't have the fucking eyes. Damn it. Move! Go! Well, this has been a very eventful day for me. I think. Okay. That's terrifying. I think. Hey, let's become together. Mommy is waiting. It's sad, painful, Mommy. Just go die already. Jeez. Cute boy. Quick, come out. Because mother and father and brother are here. Quick. Be born and come, my cute little boy. Look at you. This child in my belly is delighted. Mommy, gentle Mommy. My happy Mommy. I wanted to see you, Mommy. But why? Quit it! Shut up! Orderly, you and wife and child would have been beheaded. You should be thankful enough as the wife of one who disobeyed the village's law to have been allowed to live in the first place. Give me back my wife and child. This one. is pregnant. No help in it. Hey! Mommy, don't cry. If we had plenty of life then, surely. Mommy, you can become happy, right? Mommy is always seeking the lives of the children who made promises. It disappeared? Good, good. Yeah. But what is that just now? Ugh, but what was that just now? The lives of the children who made promises? I did say something like, Mommy can become happy if it had that, but what promise? It's no good. I really don't understand. For now, I need to get out of here and look for Sakuma-chan. A really small milky white fragment has fallen here. Obtained milky white fragment. Where's Sakuma-chan? Sakuma-chan! Are you alright? Hang in there. Ugh. Oni-san? Great, I was looking for you. Why did you go into the forest? At first, all I thought of doing was hiding in the forest for a bit to vent about that government official. Thinking that if I were to go missing, he wouldn't talk like that anymore. But somewhere along the way, I blacked out, and when I came to, I was deep inside the forest. But Sakuma-chan, you went back to the museum once, right? I'm sorry, I don't remember. In this forest. That's right! In this forest I encountered something strange, and then lost consciousness. Quick! Let's get out of this forest. I ended up seeking the Kotori Obake. And then maybe I was possessed by the Kotori Obake. Perhaps the Kotori Obake is looking for you, Oni-san. Ugh. All the stones in the necklace broke. What? What the fuck? That's bullshit. Found you. Oh, did you now? The promise. In place of that child, I will have Shirori's life. Huh? Let's run, quick. Won't let you escape. Oh, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you! No, no, no. Fulfill your promise. No, never. Don't hesitate. Just run away straight ahead. Run, bitch! Fuck! Oh, God. It's not chasing us anymore? I don't know, but I think we've ran a lot. Sakuma-chan, are you alright? I'm alright. My feet are just a little tired. More importantly, Oni-san, you should worry more about yourself. Oni-san, the Kotori Obake is targeting you. That monster, it certainly called my name, but why? Oni-san, you made a promise with the Kotori Obake. Promise? Oni-san, you made a promise to the Kotori Obake to offer your life. I don't remember making any such promise. But while I was being possessed by the Kotori Obake, I have been continuously hearing a voice. In place of that child, I will have Shiori's life. That is the promise. The offered recompense. I'm sorry, it's my fault. If I didn't just do things like that all on my own, you wouldn't have come to this forest, Oni-san. That's not true. Even though Suga-san and I can't, and Suga-san said I can't, I was the one who headed into the forest on my own. Anyways, if the two of us can make it back alive, that's good enough. But let's reflect on this only after we get back, because maybe you'll get a severe scolding from Officer Mochizuki. Eh? So, let's get back quickly and get scolded together, Oni-san. Yeah. Okay, get out of here. Oh god, that actually kind of scared me. No, go away! Manufactured blue small stone has fallen here. The same as the one on the necklace. There's also a hole to put the string through. Oh, it's the same thing. Oh, the path splits here, doesn't it? I don't remember which one it was. Me either. I'm not going that way. What is it? Certainly the way back to the original path is the upper one, I think. Really? Oni-san, you know this? Yes. How to say this? I get the feeling that I went past this place before. No, I'm going this way. The upper one, right? No! No! That rock. There was definitely also one near the forest entrance. It's a really huge night glow stone. Ones at the forest entrance seem to serve as a barrier. But that one doesn't glow anymore. Perhaps it's a night glow stone that's already decayed. So I don't think it has any more effect. To Azakawa Village Mountain Base. Why can't I go here? The label has been stuck here, which reads even more dangerous than a cliff. Okay. The bridge has fallen. Jump it! Just jump across. I was worried about this possibility. Like this, it's a dead end. How about going the other path in the fork back over there? I'm reluctant, but it can't be helped. Can it? Shall we go back? No! No! We're gonna get fucked! See, told you! What should we do? It might be there. But we have no choice but to go. Because there is no path beyond this. Sakuma-chan! Ugh, the vine is binding me. I can't take it off. Why? Ugh. Oni-san, go ahead. Run away. I can't do something like that. No. Oni-san, you end up getting caught. It'll be alright. Stay calm. I'll definitely save you. Oni-san. Ugh. Sakuma-chan? She's fainted. It must be agonizing. I need to save Sakuma-chan. At least, if I can call someone here. A vine as hard as rock. A vine as hard as rock, wraps around Sakuma's body, making it not possible to set her free. Sakuma seems to have fainted and is unconscious. I feel uneasy about leaving her here by herself. That's right. That's right. Put the night glowstone in Sakuma's pocket. For peace of mind, it's at least better than nothing. Fuck off! Fuck off! Ah! I won't let you flee. 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 Ah, the light feels terrible. It's hateful, hateful, hateful. Come on. It doesn't seem to be coming over here. Now's my chance to get out, to get going. Here is an old human-made artificial cave. I can't get that ladder. It's held by a rope on the wall. Some light is leaking in from above. A neat round hole can be seen in the ceiling. Could this be a well? With good luck, perhaps there might be someone here. Someone! Is anyone there? Please, someone! If anyone is there, please! Please help! Please help! My friend is in danger! The key to the mansion broke, so now I can't go inside. I'm beat. I need to find Sakuma-chan quickly. The rain doesn't seem to show any signs of stopping either. Even so, I can't just break a window to get in, after all. Someone! Is someone there? Please! Ugh! Someone! If anyone is there, please respond. Hey! Hey, what is that? Oh well. Hey, who is it? Are you there? The voice, huh? It's Officer Mochizuki. It's me, Kanzaki. I'm inside the well. Inside the well? How could you end up in a place like that? I came here from the forest. More importantly, please help. I found Sakuma-chan, but she's trapped by a strange vine. If we don't rescue her quickly, she'll be in danger. Understood. Just wait a little. Alright, I'm coming in now. Eh? Are you alright? I never would have thought you would be in the forest. Entry here should have been forbidden. I'm sorry, but I found Sakuma-chan in the forest. And about Sakuma? What do you mean, trapped by vines? I'll explain later. So, anyways, please come with me. If we don't hurry, Sakuma-chan will be in danger. Understood. Rescue first. We'll talk later. So guide me to Sakuma's place. Why is there a place like this inside the well? Well, inside the forest there was also a present-like place. We were attached by a monster-like thing. We were attacked. by a monster-like thing there. It definitely had the name Kotoriobake. I get the feeling I've heard such a story since coming to this village. At any rate, let's rescue Sakuma and get out of this forest. Actually, well, I think I'll leave this video off here. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!